Hello, children. How are you today? Welcome to another fun learning class. Today we will talk about place value and value of ones and tens. So, are you excited about it? Is it? Yes? I'm so happy to hear that. Okay, so when we talk about place, it means where the number is, the position or the place of the number. And value means the meaning of the number. And we will do it with number names. All right, let's start. So we'll talk about cubes and base 10 blocks. So this is a cube. If you take 10 cubes together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you get a block of 10 cubes. You can count as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, tell me, how many are these cubes? Correct. One, 2, 3, 4. Now tell me, how many are these cubes? Count them. Correct. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now tell me, how many are these? Count them. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. How much is this? Correct. 10 cubes make one block. So 10, Ten, 10, 1 tens is equal to 10. So how many are these? One block and three cubes. Can you guess it for me? Correct. It is 13. Thirteen. 13. 1 tens plus 3 ones makes it 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Here 10 plus 3 is the expanded form of the number 13. And 13 is the number name. So how many are these? One block and five cubes. Can you guess it for me? Correct. It is 15. Fifteen. 15. 1 tens plus 5 ones makes it 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Here 10 plus 5 is the expanded form and 15 is the number name. So how many are these? Yes, two blocks. So can anybody tell me? Yes, 10 and 10. So 10 plus 10 makes it, can you tell me? Yes, 20. Twenty. 20. Two tens plus 0 ones is equal to 20 plus 0 is equal to 20. So 20 plus 0 is the expanded form of the number 20 and 20 is the number name. How many are these? Two blocks and three cubes make it. Anybody can tell me? Yes, it is 23. Twenty. Two tens plus three ones make it 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. Here 20 plus 3 is the expanded form of the number 23 and 23 is the number name. So here is another one for you. So how many are these? Two blocks and seven cubes. Can you guess it for me? Correct, it is 27. Twentyseven. Two tens plus seven ones equals to 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. And 20 plus 7 is the expanded form and 27 is the number name. So how many are these? Three blocks. So that makes it 30. Right. So THIRTY. 3 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 30 plus 0 is equal to 30. 30 plus 0 is the expanded form of 30. And 30 is the number name. So how many are these? Three blocks and five cubes. Can you tell me? Yes, it is 35. THIRTYFIVE. Three tens plus five ones equals to 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. 30 plus 5 is the expanded form and 35 is the number name. So you can see three blocks and 2 cubes. So tell me how much is it? Yes, 32. THIRTYTWO. 32. 3 tens plus 2 ones equals to 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Now expanded form is correct. 30 plus 2 and 32 is the number name. So you can see 4 blocks. It makes it, tell me, right, 40. FORTY, 40. 4 tens plus 0 ones equals to 40 plus 0 equals to 40. So 40 plus 0 is the expanded form of 40 and 40 is the. So now you can see 4 blocks and 3 cubes. So tell me how much is it? Yes, 43. Very good. FORTYTHREE is the number name. And 4 tens plus 3 ones equals to 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. So 40 plus 3 is the expanded form. So now you can see 4 blocks and 6 cubes. So how much is it? Yes, it is 46. FORTYSIX. 46 is the number name and 4 tens plus 6 ones equals to 40 plus 6 is equal to 46. So 40 plus 6 is the expanded form. What you can see is 5 blocks. So tell me how much is it? Yes, it is 50. FIFTY. 50 is the number name. And 5 tens plus 0 ones equals to 50 plus 0 is equal to 50. 50 plus 0 is the expanded form. Now we will understand what are the digits. Digits are from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are digits. Now, children, we will talk about the place value chart. All right. So here, as you can see, there are two houses or two columns, right? So that is ones and tens. But there are many more columns which you will learn later. For now, we will learn only about the ones and the tens column. Now, there is a rule to it, you know, that in one column or in one house, you cannot have more than one number or one digit. Also, we need to understand that if the one's place or one's house, the number has its own value of itself. I will help you understand about the place value chart with the help of cubes. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Can I add one more to it? What happens if I add one more? Oh, it makes it 10. So can I? I don't think so. Can I add one more? Tell me. No, I can't. Why? Because it makes it two numbers and the rule is that you only write one number in one column. So now let us see what we have here. So you have 0 in the ones column, 0, 0 ones is equal to 0. And in the tens column, you have one block. So how much is that? Correct, it is 10, TEN 10. 1 tens is equal to 10. So how will you write this? 1 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 10 plus 0 equals to 10. TEN 10. That makes it the number name and 10 plus 0 is the expanded form of the number. So now let's understand this chart. So there are two cubes in one's column or one's place. So how would you write that? Write TWO2. 2 ones is equal to 2. And in the tens column, what do we have? We have one block. So how do you write that? Correct. 10, TEN 10 or 1 tens is equal to 10. So how would you write the number? 1 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. TWELVE 12 is the number name and 10 plus 2 is the expanded form. So let's see what we have here. In the ones column, we have 0, zero, 0 or 0 ones is equal to 0. And in the tens column, I can see two blocks. So that makes it 20, TWENTY 20 or 2 tens is equal to 20. So how do we write the number? 2 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 20 plus 0 is equal to 20. TWENTY 20 is the number name and 20 plus 0 is the expanded form. Very good. So in this chart, I can see 5 cubes in the ones column. Right, FIVE, 5 ones is equal to 5. And in the tens column, there are 2 blocks. That makes it correct. 20, TWENTY, 20, 2 tens is equal to 20. So we will write it as 2 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. So TWENTY 20, FIVE 5. 25 is the number name and 20 plus 5 is the expanded form of the number 25. So children, tell me, are you having fun? Are you excited to learn more? Okay, yes, I'm so happy to hear that. All right, we will learn more. So in the ones column, here we have 0, zero, 0. 0 ones is equal to 0. And in the tens column, there are 3 blocks. So that makes it correct. 30, THIRTY, 30. So 3 tens is equal to 30. And how do we write that? 3 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 30 plus 0 is equal to 30. THIRTY, 30 is the number name and 30 plus 0 is the expanded form. In this chart, we can see that in the ones column, we have 7 cubes. So how do we write it? SEVEN, 7 or 7 ones is equal to 7. And now in the tens column, we can see 3 blocks. So tell me how we can write that? Correct, 30, THIRTY, 30. So 3 tens is equal to 30. 3 tens plus 7 ones is equal to 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. THIRTY, SEVEN, 7 is 37, which is the number name, and 30 plus 7 is the expanded form. Here in the ones column, we have 0, 0. 0 ones is equal to 0. And in the tens column, we have 4 blocks. That makes it, yes, 40, FORTY, 40. 4 tens is equal to 40. And how do we write this? 4 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 40 plus 0 is equal to 40. FORTY, 40 is the number name and 40 plus 0 is the expanded form of the number 40. Let's start the next one. So in this one, we have 3 cubes in the ones place. So that makes it 3, THREE, 3. 3 ones is equal to 3. And in the tens place, we have 4 blocks. So that makes it correct. 40, FORTY, 40. Or 4 tens is equal to 40. And how do we write this? 4 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. FORTY, 43 is the number name and 40 plus 3 is the expanded form of the number 43. So in this chart, we see that in the ones column or ones place, there is 0, 0 or 0 ones is equal to 0. And in the tens place, we have 5 blocks. That makes it 50, FIFTY, 50. Or 5 tens is equal to 50. So we write this number as 5 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 50 plus 0 is equal to 50. FIFTY, 50 is the number name and 50 plus 0 is the expanded form of the number 50. In this chart, we see that there are 9 cubes in the ones place. So we write it as NINE, 9 or 9 ones is equal to 9. Now what we see in the tens place? 5 blocks. So that makes it 50, correct. FIFTY, 50 or 5 tens is equal to 50. And how we write this number is 5 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 50 plus 9 is equal to 59. FIFTYNINE, 59 is the number name, and 50 plus 9 is the expanded form. In this chart, we can see in the ones column, we have 0, ZERO, 0. 0 ones is equal to 0. And in the tens column, we can see 6 blocks. That makes it, right, 60. SIXTY, 60. 6 tens is equal to 60. And we write it as 6 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 60 plus 0 is equal to 60. SIXTY, 60, which is the number name of 60, and 60 plus 0 is the expanded form. So in this chart, we can see that in the ones column or ones house, we have 2 cubes. So that makes it TWO2, or 2 ones is equal to 2. And in the tens column, we have 6 blocks. So that makes it, right, 60. SIXTY, 60, or 6 tens is equal to 60. And how do we write this number? 6 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 60 plus 2 is equal to 62. SIXTY, 60, TWO, 62. So 62 is the number name, and 60 plus 2 is the expanded form of the number 62. So in this chart, in the ones column, we have 0, ZERO, 0. 0 ones is equal to 0. And in the tens column, we have 7 blocks. So that makes it, children, how much? Correct, 70s, SEVENTY, 70, or 7 tens is equal to 70. We write the number as 7 tens is plus 0 ones is equal to 70 plus 0 is equal to 70. SEVENTY, 70 is the number name, and 70 plus 0 is the extended form of the number 70. So let's go through this place value chart. In the ones column, we have 4 cubes. So that makes it FOUR 4. 4 ones is equal to 4. And in the tens column, we have 7 blocks. So that makes it, children, correct, 70. SEVENTY, 70. Or 7 tens is equal to 70. So we write it as 7 tens plus 4 ones is equal to 70 plus 4 is equal to 74. Spell it as SEVENTYFOUR, 74 is the number name, and 70 plus 4 is the expanded form. So in this chart, we see in the ones place, there is 0, ZERO, 0, or 0 ones is equal to 0. And in the tens place, how many are there? Yes, 8. So that makes it 80, EIGHTY, 80, or 8 tens is equal to 80. 8 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 80 plus 0 is equal to 80. EIGHTY, 80, which is the number name for 80, and expanded form is 80 plus 0. In this chart, we see that in the ones column, there are 6 cubes. So how we write it? 6, SIX, 6, and 6 ones is equal to 6. In the tens column, how many blocks are there? There are 8 blocks, so that makes it 80. AIGHTY, 80. 8 tens is equal to 80. So 8 tens plus 6 ones is equal to 80 plus 6 is equal to 86. EIGHTY, 80. SIX, 86 is the number name for 86, and the expanded form is 80. So in this chart, in the ones column, you have 0, ZERO, 0. 0 ones is equal to 0. And in the tens column, how many blocks are there? Correct, there are 9 blocks, which makes it 90, NINETY, 90. 9 tens is equal to 90. So 9 tens plus 0 ones gives it 90 plus 0 is equal to 90, NINETY, 90, which is the number name for 90, and 90 plus 0 is its expanded form. In this chart, there is 1 cube in ones column. So we write it as ONE 1. So that makes it 1 ones is equal to 1. And in the tens column, how many blocks are there? Count it. Yes, there are 9 blocks, so that makes it 90, Ninety, 90. 9 tens is equal to 90. We write this as 9 tens plus 1 ones is equal to 90 plus 1 is equal to 91. So it is Ninetyone is the number name 91, and 90 plus 1 is the expanded form. So in this chart, you have 0 in ones column. So it is 0, 0 ones is equal to 0. And in the tens column, you have counted 10 blocks, right? So that makes it 100, HUNDRED, 100. 10 tens is equal to 100. So you write it as 10 tens is plus 0 ones is equal to 100 plus 0 is equal to 100. HUNDRED, 100 is the number name, and 100 plus 0 is the expanded form. So children, let's practice now. So how many? So you have to fill in the blanks. So if you see the first one, what do you see? There are 3 blocks. So how is it? 3 tens plus 0 ones is equal to, guess what it is? Right, 30 plus 0 is equal to 30. So the number name will be THIRTY, 30. Very good. Now the next one has how many blocks? It has 5 blocks. So it will be, what is the fill in the blanks? 5 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 50 plus 0 is equal to 50. FIFTY, 50 is the number name. Good. Well done. So children, in this one, what you see? You see 4 blocks and 3 cubes. So fill in these blanks. 4 tens plus 3 ones is equal to, tell me what it is. 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. So how do you write the number name? FORTYTHREE, 43. Okay, that was really good. Now let's go to the next one. Next one, you can see counted 10 blocks. So the fill in the blanks is 10 tens plus 0 ones is equal to, tell me how would you write that? Tell me. Yes, so it will be 100 plus 0 is equal to 100. HUNDRED, 100 is the number name. Very good. Keep it up. Now we will do the next one. Now in this one, I want to check how have you understood. So you have to tell me how many is 40, and you have to expand and write it down. So you can do that, right? Write and tell me. Yes, correct. Okay, I can see that. 4 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 40, and 40 plus 0 is equal to 40, and the number name is FORTY, 40. Okay, we go to the next one, 53. Right, write it and show it to me. Okay, that was very fast. Okay, fast. Oh, that's nice. So it is 5 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 50 plus 3 is equal to 53. And the number name is FIFTYTHREE. Very good. Next one is 71. So how do you write this? Show it to me fast. Right. I can see you doing. Okay. Right, so it is 7 tens plus 1 ones. That is equal to 70 plus 1, which is the expanded form. So 71 you write as SEVENTYONE. 71 is the number name. Great, fantastic.